Aloha, cupcakes. We're here at the Donovan Mill doing a thing. I'm not even going to explain this one. You're just going to have to watch.
All right, fine. I'll explain it. This is the Donovan Mill outside of Virginia City in Nevada, and the Breaking Ground art installation is what's going on here. This is a bunch of photographs from North Dakota's Bakken oil fields. Now, a lot of this is just imagery that's being shot directly on top of parts of the buildings and some of the machinery that's throughout the whole facility. And I just think it's a very cool concept because some images like this one, if you're not standing in the right position, you can't actually see that there is an image. And then other stuff, it's like, it's the side of the building. I mean, the corrugated steel makes for a very interesting texture for a photograph. Now, a couple of these shots, like this one, was interesting. And then it goes from like small, tight little photo to a very large photo. So it's kind of a fun experience because it changes every time you're walking through it. And I couldn't possibly try to explain how long you have to stand in front of them. On the right of the screen here, that's the side of a mountain that one of the images is being broadcast on. I couldn't get a good shot of it, but you could see that that's what was going on. And even the big water tanks that are outside the facility, they're being used as screens. And this is one of the stamp machines that it's being used as a screen. And it's just a very cool experience. Now, some of the spots that are in here, like this big catwalky type of vent that is going on over here, made it really hard for me to see what was going on until like you get to the end of it. Here's the office, and I realized that the screen out here is actually just the rock wall that is outside the building. Made the office look really cool. And then this is just an overhead shot from inside the mill where I can kind of see where 6 or 7 of the different projectors are being shot. And it's just a very cool, all-enveloping kind of experience that really just makes this place feel like it's got some life back in it again. And yeah, I've been here for some paranormal events, and I've helped host some of the other events that we've had here. This is probably the most alive I have seen this place to be. And not just because there was people all over the place, because there's activity going on, and it just seems like it felt like there was something worth paying attention to in here. It's not some dusty old, it is a dusty old building, but now it's a dusty old building that is interesting. Like it had a vibe to it. I don't know another way to describe that one, honestly. So this is my video. This is the one for today. I had a great time out here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to make more content that is less art related and more whatever nonsense I find myself in. Till then, stay moist, my friends.